So once we stretch the chin forwards and downwards, that's pretty much going to disappear. He also was desirous of getting this scar removed. Try and do it. So this is immediately after we've done a genioplasty and jaw sculpting. We've got the patient's chin forwards and downwards, but more forwards. 10 millimeters of augmentation. Also done a little bit of jaw sculpting. And this is how he looks immediately after we finished. You can see that the extra fat contour. He's a guy in his 40s. And can be done even at that age to bring about the desired change. So it's like a reverse facelift kind of an effect. It even looks much better because it improves your facial proportions and gets more harmony to the facial soft tissues.
Hello everyone, here we are with the follow-up of a patient. It's been almost 6 days post his surgery. A genioplasty and a jaw sculpting has been done. We'll proceed with the Dynaplast removal today. It's going to be a little bit painful, just bear with us. It's completely soaked, it's wet. Okay, I'll start that side. I know this is literally a painful thing. Just close your mouth.
I think I can do it.
You want to?
Yeah, it will be much easier.
But you have to keep a hand over here because the stitches are very friable.
Okay, are the stitches here?
The stitches inside your mouth, right?
Yeah. That's correct. Actually, I can pull off individual threads. That's much easier.
According to me, sir, the pain is going to be almost equal, if not more. That's because the adhesive is very sticky.
Oh God, it's going to be terrible, I know that.
Okay, I'll try. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Just be a little patient. I'm not telling you it will be less pain, but I'll try doing it quick. Okay, fine. Okay. Just look a little up. Okay. We'll go that side. Relax. Breathe normally, relax. Okay. Relax. Should I wait for some time?
Yeah.
Okay, better. This is just last one strand remaining. It's completely wet.
Is there any blood?
No. It's just the adhesive, the stickiness of the Dynaplast. This we put as a compressive dressing such that you do not have any swelling. It doesn't. There are no extra bulges.
Okay.
Yeah. One last leg, don't worry. We are done. It was bad, very bad, very
It's
painful.
okay. I mean, I can take it.
Okay.
Okay.
Little bit of cleaning. Okay, these are all the adhesive stickers. We'll take them out, clean. I want you to have a look at yourself in the mirror first. Okay, also we'll highlight your pre-operative pictures as well, yeah, such that you can get a comparison.
Yeah, sure.
There are three things which I would like to mention. He underwent a genioplasty and a jaw sculpting. Can we get his previous pictures? He underwent a genioplasty and jaw sculpting. That was primarily because of his chin, which was receded and which was small. Secondly, he had a problem with his wisdom teeth. In his case, there were two teeth, one on the left side upper, left side lower. We'll get it this side. Yeah, so he had his wisdom teeth removal as well, and also he had a mole on his right cheek. If you can hold it straight, okay. Get your mirror a little down, sir. Yeah. Now on the mirror you can see your pre and your post-operative self. Yeah. So you had a chin which was small and little short, so as to say. So if I divide your face into three halves, this is the upper half, this is the lower half, and starting from the base of the nose to the chin, this height was little less, especially the chin height. Now it has been made proportionate because we did an advancement genioplasty, vertical as well as horizontal for him. Also, we got his wisdom teeth removed and the mole removed on the right side of his face. There's a thin line now and the sutures are not visible, but they have to be removed. It's just been 6 days. There is a little bit of swelling, obviously, and that's mainly around the chin area. That will subside. Complete remission will take around a month, 4 days. Okay. We'll see the side view so that you can appreciate your profile well. The side view, please. Okay. Now you can turn to one side. Yeah, and you can see yourself in the mirror if this image is visible.
Yeah.
Can you see this? Yeah. So if I draw a straight line wherein your forehead, your nose, your upper lip matches, you can see the way your lower chin was. It was way inside, it was short and receded. There was almost no lower border of your mandible visible. That's because your chin was way too low and way too small.
Yeah.
Cut to the current scenario. If you follow my hand or finger, you will see that the lower border is much defined because now this is where your chin is ending.
Yes.
Okay, and earlier it ended here. If I drew a straight line, there was no proper definition to your chin line or your jaw line earlier, right? So the most marked improvement is seen as a profile view when it comes to genioplasty because it changes your chin throat angle. It completely changes this angle.
Yes.
Right? You can see the other view. Yeah, in this view also there's a marked change. It's a complete, the right profile. You can see how short and stubby your chin was earlier. Now we have added length and width to it. So there's an added dimension and definition to the face as well, especially your lower third. But overall it gives a general improvement to the face. Yeah?
Yeah.
You are happy? This is what you desired?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? It's 6 days, swelling is still there, it will come down. Less in your case, but still it's existing, especially around this area.
Yeah.
You have to be a little careful. We'll tell you about the diet to be taken, oral medications to be started, intraoral gel will be given. Any problem with your wisdom tooth?
No.
No problem. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.